वार्निंग वार्निंग, तुम लोग सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी में आ रहे हो, 100 नंबर पे कॉल कर दिया, 5 ही मिनट में पुलिस यहाँ आती होगी। वार्निंग, भागो नहीं, रुको, भागो नहीं, वार्निंग।
OLSS is a type of a company that helps you keep an eye on your car, shops, factory, godown and all type of assets. OLSS provides real-time live monitoring services. Our system detects threats and criminal activities immediately through our professional control center and video analysts. We are having world best camera that is built with latest technology to catch every threat. Our system manages to trigger all kind of suspicious activities and instantly alerts the control center. When the intruder trespasses the security area, he is spotted by both analytics system and agents. Then, our team takes action against intruder as well as sends alert to police and you too. 95% of the intruders find it impossible to run and caught by police. Rest can be easily tracked by footage. With OLSS, do not worry. We will monitor and will alert you before any mishaps. OLSS, detecting and reducing crime. 9810 759904.